Hello everyone, welcome back to the Real Car Coding Jobs series on the Car Diagnostic Software channel. Today, I'm working on a Mercedes-Benz GLE 2018. Today's job is disabling the DISTRONIC function by coding the EZS166 module. Before starting the job, let me quickly explain what DISTRONIC is. It's Mercedes' adaptive cruise control system, which uses a front-facing radar to measure the distance to the vehicle ahead and automatically adjusts speed to maintain a safe following distance without the driver constantly using the accelerator or brake. However, on some vehicles, this system can cause unwanted sudden braking or deceleration, which is why many owners want to disable it. As for software, I'm using Xentry Diagnostic for general diagnostics and DTS Monaco for coding. As for hardware, you can use whichever Mercedes-compatible device you already have in your shop, such as the C4, C6, or TabScan. Now let's get into the job. First, I connect to the EZS166 module, electronic ignition switch, which manages the vehicle's starting system and key recognition. Wait for the software to scan and successfully connect to this module. After successfully connecting to EZS166, I go into the coding menu. From the domain list, I select VCD, Global Variant Coding. Within this domain, I locate FCW, Forward Collision Warning, which is directly related to the DISTRONIC system. I change the coding value for this item to nicht verfügbar, German for not available, to disable the function, then perform the coding. After the coding is complete, I check the status again to confirm FCW is now set to nicht verfügbar. Finally, I perform a hard reset on the EZS166 module for the change to fully take effect. The DISTRONIC function has now been successfully disabled. Before wrapping up, a quick note. All instructions in this video require a certain level of technical knowledge to perform. We do not recommend attempting this if you don't have a solid foundation in vehicle coding and diagnostics. If you have any questions, we're always happy to help and answer them. We also offer remote coding support services worldwide. Contact us via WhatsApp in the video description or leave a comment below for support. So with just 3 steps, connecting to EZS166, coding the VCD domain to disable FCW, and performing a hard reset, you've successfully disabled the DISTRONIC function. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow the channel for more coding videos.